Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Padlet to share your research about an organism for our Environments and Organisms project. For some background, Padlet is a digital bulletin board where our whole class can post and view each other's work. It's a super easy and fun way to share what you've learned about the animal or plant you researched and to see what your classmates discovered as well. So we're going to start by looking at our class Padlet, which is right here. And when you open the link I share with you, you'll see this page, which is our bulletin board. And up here, you'll see our guiding question. And you'll see some examples. Hopefully when you come here, you'll see other classmates post. And our Padlet bulletin board will grow as everyone adds their post. And soon we'll have a whole wall of animals and plants. So now I'm going to show you how to make a post, and we're going to do that together. And to start, we're going to look for this plus button that's in the bottom right hand corner. We're going to click that button to create a new post, and we're going to type the name of our organism in the first line. And for example, I'm going to write the red fox. Then I'm going to press return, and under that is where I'm going to write 2 to 3 sentences describing our organism below. And we're going to think about our guiding question, which is we're going to talk about the habitat it lives in, what it eats, and how it helps our environment. For example, I might write the red fox lives in forests and grasslands. It eats small animals like rabbits and mice. Red foxes help control populations of other animals and keep the ecosystem balanced. And just remember, your writing doesn't have to be perfect, just share what you know in your own words. Next, let's make our post a little more interesting, and I'm going to show you how to add a picture. So on your post box, you'll see these icons up here, and we're going to press that. And if you'd like, you could even click the audio recorder or video recorder to record your voice or your voice and face talking about your organism. And this would be a great option if you prefer speaking instead of typing. So that could make your post extra fun to listen to. So that's always an option. For this example, I'm going to just do an image of my organism because I want my peers to know what a red fox looks like in case they don't know. So I'm going to click this button that says image search. I'm going to search up red fox, and I'm going to click the image I like, and that'll add the picture to my post, which makes it super interesting for people to look at so they have a visual. And once you finish your post, we're going to click this publish button up here to add it to our Padlet wall. And now you'll see your post appear right along with everyone else's. And after you've added your post, I'm going to ask you to take a few minutes to read what your classmates wrote, and you can click any post to make it bigger. And at the bottom of each post, you'll see a small comment box right here, and you can click this plus button to add a nice comment, and we're going to start typing right here. For example, you might write, I didn't know earthworms lived underground. That is super cool. So we're just gonna type a nice comment that is extending someone's knowledge, or just something that you might not have known before, just a nice comment to leave for your peers. And that's pretty much it. I hope this was helpful, and hopefully you've learned how to use Padlet to share your research about your organism. And to review, you should know how to open our class Padlet, create a new post, add text and pictures, and comment on your classmates' posts. Once you've watched this video, I'd like you to go ahead and open the Padlet link I shared, add your own post about your organism, and don't forget to check out your classmates' posts too. I can't wait to see all of your amazing work and learn more about the different organisms and ecosystems you've discovered. Thanks for watching, and happy posting!